Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of b plus square root of minus b is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and here first our target is to remove the square root sign from both of the sides. So for this we will take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as square root of b plus square root of minus b, and its whole square is equals to 4 and its whole square. And further, in the next step, we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. So according to this nice formula, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as in this form. We have this will be written as a square root of b and its whole square plus square root of minus b and its whole square plus 2 times of square root of b multiplied by square root of minus b, and this is equals to 4 square, and 4 square becomes here 16. And further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we obtain these 2 and square root are gone, and we get b plus these 2 and square root are also gone, and we get minus b plus. Here we need to take common the square root on both of these two values, and it will become here 2 times of b multiplied by minus b, and this is equals to 16. And here you see that this is positive b and negative b, both are cancelled out by each other, and here we will get 2 times of square root of b multiplied by b becomes b square, and this is our negative sign, and this whole equation is equals to 16. And now here we need to remove this 2 from here. So for this we divide both of the sides by 2. These 2 and 2 are gone, and this is 2 times 8 becomes 16. And here we obtain square root of minus b square is equals to 8. So further we find the values of b. So for this we again take squaring on both of the sides in order to remove the square root sign, so that when we apply again squaring, it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and square root are also gone, and we get here minus b square is equals to this is our 8 square. Okay. So here we just move this negative sign to the right hand side, and we get b square is equals to minus 8 square. So for the values of b, we need to take the square root on both of the sides in order to remove this square sign. So this will becomes here in this form. So this b and square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to plus minus. Here you see that these 2 and square root are gone, and we get 8, and we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes here iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So here this is the our final answer which we get here, but now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots with the solution, or is these roots with the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of b plus square root of minus b is equals to 4, and here first we will choose 8 is equals to 8 iota for verification. And I can left the verification of b is equals to minus 8 iota for your side. You can do yourself. And now we substitute this value on both this value into the left hand side, and it will be written as a square root of 8 iota plus square root of minus 8 iota is equals to 4. And further we have we know about that here we again apply the same procedure which we can do into the start of the problem, so that here we use again a squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as in this form. Further we use here the nice algebraic formula, so this will be written as 8 iota square root and its whole square plus square root of minus 8 iota and its whole square plus 2 times of square root of 8 iota multiplied by square root of minus 8 iota is equals to 4 square becomes 16. And again you see that these 2 and square root are cancelled out by each other and we get here 8 iota. These 2 and square root are also gone and here we get minus 8 iota. This positive sign multiplied by negative becomes minus 8 iota, and here we combine the square root of both of these two terms and it will becomes here 2 times of, here you have 8 multiplied by 8 becomes 64, and iota multiplied by minus iota becomes minus iota square, and this is equals to 16. So you see that this is negative 8 iota, this is positive 8 iota are gone, and we get here 2 times of, this is a square root of 64, and we know about that the square root of 64 becomes 8, and further we know that the value of iota square is also equals to minus 1, and we check that is this equals to 16 or not. So further you see here we have this will becomes 2 times of 8 is equals to 16, and minus times the minus becomes plus 1, and we know that the square root of 1 is equals to 16, and we will obtain here 16 is equals to 16. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value b is equals to 8 iota is satisfied our given question statement. And here similarly we will verify the second value of b, and that is b equals to minus 8 iota. So finally it means that both of the values of b satisfy our given question statement, and finally we have the solution set of this problem is b is equals to plus minus 8 iota. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.